think what we're finding now is personal protective equipment in welding has become so paramount in people's thought process. We all know that welding gives off obviously dangerous welding fumes, and we want to ensure that we protect the welder from those fumes. And what's become apparent is that with the fumes is respiratory equipment is the key for protecting ourselves and our lungs from a welding situation. So with our new range of products, what you find now is that we have different ranges of products. We have a high-end product which has a gas filter, which is really for some of the nasties, gases that are let off in some of the materials that we use for welding. And then we have a mid-range product as well, which is more of a generalised particulate filter. And then we've also got a compressed air system. And I think working and talking to a lot of health and safety executives in Europe, what we find is that now they are looking more and more into safety into welding. So we're finding that this is a massive increase in the overall products that we need to be developing in the future. So a lot of that R&D is now going into developing all of that new sophisticated product on respiratory and welding helmets. Do you know what? I think it's a bit of a passion. We have a real passion in Bowler about our products, and our product management have a real passion about the products and what we do. We're not only putting into it all the relevant standards, but we're putting in a lot of new modern technologies, and we're always looking at something new. In fact, I was just talking to a customer and he says, wow, these products are looking really cool and nice, how do you do it? And I say, as soon as we've completed one project and one product, we go to the next. We're looking at the next technology, and that's the key. This is such a growth industry, personal protective equipment, that we're ever changing. It's ever new developments happening, new technologies, and we're making sure we're part of that development. So I think people like us because we're enthusiastic and we love our products.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.